Welcome to the spoken tutorial on the importance of calcium. In this tutorial, we will learn about role of calcium and its requirement in our body, symptoms of its deficiency, and calcium-rich food sources. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our body. 99% of the body's calcium is found in bones and teeth. The remaining 1% is present in our blood. It gets excreted from our body through stool, urine, and sweat. Calcium serves many functions in our body. The key function is the development and maintenance of bones. If there is an excess of calcium in the body, it gets deposited in the bones. In case of deficiency, it can be taken from the bones. Calcium is essential for the transfer of nerve signals in our body. It helps in muscle contraction and its movement. It also helps in stopping the blood flow after a cut. Calcium is needed for the secretion of hormones like insulin and adrenaline. Other benefits are maintaining body weight, blood pressure, and heart health. Daily recommended intake for calcium varies for different age groups. It is higher during periods of rapid growth such as childhood and adolescence. For infants until 12 months, 500 mg of calcium per day is recommended. For children up to 9 years, 600 mg per day is recommended. The requirements increase up to 800 mg per day during adolescence. For adults, it is 600 mg per day. The calcium requirements are also high during pregnancy and lactation. During pregnancy and lactation, 1200 mg is recommended. Let us now discuss the effects of calcium deficiency. Deficiency of calcium during pregnancy can result in a rise in blood pressure. Swelling in hands and feet can be seen. Inadequate calcium intake by mothers may affect the baby also. Their birth weight may be low and their growth can be retarded. Their physical and cognitive development can be damaged. In children, calcium deficiency can cause rickets. Rickets is a disorder of the skeletal system. The growth gets stunted and there are changes in the shape of the spine. Other signs are sunken ribs, protruding forehead, and bow-shaped bent legs. Short height, widening of the wrist, elbow, knee, and ankle joints can be seen. In adults, early signs of calcium deficiency are muscle cramps. Numbness or tingling sensation of fingers is also seen. Mental confusion, irritability, dry skin, brittle nails, and tooth decay can also occur. Long-term deficiency of calcium can result in osteoporosis. In osteoporosis, the bone density is reduced. The bones become fragile and prone to fractures. Other symptoms are stooped posture, loss of height, and back pain. The risk of osteoporosis is higher in women as compared to men. This is because estrogen levels in women decrease after menopause. Thereby, calcium absorption decreases and its excretion through urine increases. To avoid calcium deficiency, adequate intake of calcium-rich food is essential. The best sources are milk and milk products. This includes curd, paneer, cheese, and khoya. Calcium obtained from them gets easily absorbed in our body. 200 milliliter of cow's milk provides 236 milligrams of calcium. 100 grams of curd from cow's milk has 150 milligrams calcium. 30 grams of paneer from cow's milk has 142 milligrams calcium. Few non-vegetarian food are also rich in calcium. For example, dried shrimp, Bombay duck, prawns, lobsters, and dried bony fishes. 100 grams of prawns will give 67 milligrams of calcium. 20 grams of dried shrimp has 73 milligrams of calcium. 15 grams of dried Bombay duck fish has 208 milligrams of calcium. Seeds are an excellent source of calcium. For example, sesame seeds, niger seeds, flax seeds, dill seeds, and poppy seeds. 1 tablespoon or 5 grams of sesame seeds has 64 milligrams of calcium. Apart from these, nuts like almonds and walnuts are also rich in calcium. Many green leafy vegetables have good amount of calcium. For example, leaves of amaranth, agathi, drumstick and fenugreek. Even radish leaves, colocasia leaves and mustard leaves are good sources. 100 grams of amaranth leaves has 330 milligrams of calcium. 100 grams of fenugreek leaves has 274 milligrams of calcium. Calcium is present in some beans like soya bean, horse gram and moth beans. 50 grams of horse gram gives 135 milligrams of calcium. Finger millet is also a rich source of calcium. 30 grams of finger millet provides 110 milligrams of calcium. Along with food intake, calcium absorption is equally important. Presence of oxalates, phytates and fiber affect calcium absorption. They are present in nuts, seeds, beans and green leafy vegetables. These substances may bind with calcium to form an insoluble complex. As a result, calcium absorption in the body is inhibited. The absorption can be enhanced by using various cooking techniques. For example, soaking, sprouting, boiling, roasting and fermentation. For calcium absorption, avoid tea, coffee and cola with calcium-rich food. They contain caffeine, which enhances calcium excretion through urine. For maximum calcium absorption, few other nutrients are required. For example, vitamin D, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Apart from nutrients, adequate physical activity and exercise are also required. This will enhance the bone mass and bone strength. In addition to all this, age also influences calcium absorption. It is highest during infancy and childhood. During adulthood, absorption is moderate and then it decreases with age. Therefore, adequate intake of calcium-rich food from an early age is essential. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining.